all that you are able to do.
So hi, this is Aisha working as a teacher training program in Agastya International Foundation.
That's what I was.
So here is my model. My model name is Somersault Monkey Toy. So here we can see that the model name is Somersault Monkey Toy. So I got this idea of this Somersault Monkey Toy by this small doll. So when we can see this, if we push this toy, it starts oscillating. So here we can see it was starting oscillating. By seeing this, we prepared with the low cost material which is a balloon. So the same process we can see in the balloon also. So but it won't be for long time. So that's why we did in a like some materials like a tube, a TT ball and a marble. So by using these three materials we did here. So but the mass was fixed at one end of my toy. So this one also did the same mechanism as my toy. So we can see here. So it will also oscillate. After that, we got an idea what happens if we free the marble. So we got this toy. So we can listen this. We have distributed the weight there inside it. So after doing this, it was doing a marvelous job. So it was obeying all my instructions first of all. So for that, I was very good for this work, and I gave a name called Monkey Toy. So now we will see his exciting work. So we can see. So hi Monkey Toy, come to my left. Hi Monkey Toy, my right. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, 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 slow. Somersault and come. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Fast, fast. So here we can see how it was obeying my instructions. So after seeing its marvelous job, this complete I did with the different lengths by keeping the mass constant. So here we can see this in a different length we did. Like I started from 4 centimeters and I was stopped at 9 centimeters. For that, while I did in a different lengths. So I kept in a constant weight at 26 grams marble, and I have differentiated in the length of my monkey toy like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 centimeters. So by increasing my height, so approximately I have increased like 20, 25, 30, 34 centimeters here. So while doing the process, I just got to know that at one point it was a magical point for me, because the value was decreased here, like 3.72 it was decreased, means it was not somersaulting, it was sliding. If it was increasing 3.7, it was somersaulting very well. So we will see it, we will prove it, it was correct. So we will see here by taking a 7 centimeters what I have given in my graph. So this is the peak point, a maximum point we can call. So we can see it was somersaulting, and we will see the last 9 centimeters. So it was not somersaulting, and we can see the 8th one. So until 7 it was somersaulting very good. After if we increases the length of my monkey, it stops somersaulting, it was sliding. So after that we did with the same process but different weights. Just here we have increased the weight here, like we got the ratios like this, and in this process still we need to work out on this, because even at 13 centimeters it was somersaulting. So until I need to search for different length of my canal and everything I need to do here. So here until we didn't get any magical point. So after this we just got through the science behind. What is the science behind? So in my monkey there is a 3 parts. Earlier I have told this one marble and one ball is there. So here we will go one by one what was the science. So I will take a marble which I have used as a mass. So I will place here in in my inclined plane. What happens if I leave here? It rolls. It was rolling. So now what was the trajectory of my marble in the inclined plane? So here we can see the trajectory of my marble is in inclined plane is parallel to our inclined plane. It was moving through like linear, or we can also say as a parallel to our inclined plane. So this is the marble's center of gravity. So now I have a body here. So where will be the body center of point here? Center of mass. So here, yeah, here, yeah, here. So it was a complete body, like empty body. So here the center of mass will be here in the middle. So if I keep my monkey body on my inclined plane, what happens? It will rotate or it will be stable. What happens? We will see here. So it was stable because there is no any weight inside. So for our reference, just we have put a center of mass point here, and I am rotating by myself. So here we can see how it was rotating. What was the trajectory of my monkey body here? So in marble it was moving in a linear manner, but in a monkey body, my monkey body's trajectory was different. So center of mass is the same, but their trajectory is different. It gives up peaks. So these peaks we call as a cycloid path. Now we see now body. Now we will see the complete monkey with the marble. So we can hear the marble is there. So my monkey will start here. It starts somersaulting. So this process we call as somersaulting. So now we can see that why it is doing like this. So here we can see in this my monkey, when it is moving from here to here, the center of mass is near to the marble because the weight complete mass at the one side. So center of mass of complete body will be near to the marble. So when it is somersaulting, the peaks we can see, the trajectory of my monkey we can see. So when comparing to body, the peaks are very less, but it is also we call as a cycloid path. So here we have seen the center of mass of our complete monkey. Now the best version of my monkey is, so for every body have a potential energies. So when I place my monkey on my reference, so how much the potential energy will be there? So we can say this much. So now I am increasing my monkey height. So now the potential energy is this much. So now I will release my monkey. What happens? It will convert the energy, potential energy to kinetic energy. So here there is only kinetic energy. Is there any other things? So here we can see it was changing its place in a plane, in a linear manner from here to here. We can call it as a translation energy, and it was rotating. So by this we can also say that it was converting into a translation kinetic energy as well as a rotational kinetic energy. So in this energy transformation there is only translation and rotational kinetic energy. So we also see the friction losses. So because it was rotating, there is a friction losses also. So for the clear picture, we can see here how the energy transformation will be there. So from potential energy to rotational and translation kinetic energy, and with some friction losses. So this is the win. And now, until now we have seen it was somersaulting everything. Why should my monkey should somersault? Why should it rotate? On the surface, it was not rotating. When I keep on the plane, it starts rotating. Why? What is happening here? So for the clean observation, we will see now. So I have a monkey with transparent body, so we can see the marble inside it. So we will see what happens there. So I am leaving it.
So, what's the eye?
So when we see clearly, so again I will show here. When it rises, here we can see that the freely moving marble was slowly going and kicking on the other side. It gives a kick. So on that time, on that place, we are getting a two torques. They are generating a two torques. So here we can see overall we have a three forces. We can see one is friction force, one is normal force, and another one is a gravitational force. In that gravitational force, we are dissociated into two types. One is mg cos theta, which is perpendicular to the plane, and one is mg sin theta, which is parallel to our plane. So here the first torque, we have said two torques are generating. First torque will be between mg sin theta and friction, which gives a clockwise direction, as well as a mg cos theta and n, which has a equal and opposite directions, which gives a again clockwise direction. So that's why the body starts raising and it continues somersaulting until it reaches to the plane surface. So this is my model, and now we have seen the torque. How can we increase the torque? So for that, I have taken up two identical materials. You can see the same length, same material, but I have changed the weight. So here we can see sound, everything. So now we will see. So my right side, can you guess which monkey toy will rotate? Right or left? We will see. So the righter one I am showing sliding. So the next, it starts somersaulting, because here I have changed the weight. So it was less weight and it was a more weight. It was 26 and 67 grams on this. If we change so both, one is marble and one is metal. So here we can see when we increases the weight also, it starts somersaulting. The other one is if we can increase the friction also. So because of weight, torque, there is no marbles. So at one set I have this type of one, and the other set I have metal.
So the marble, so